Now, US President-elect Joe Biden has set a goal of 100 million coronavirus vaccinations during his first 100 days in office. The country has recorded more than 15 million cases of the infection so far, and 285,000 people have died with COVID-19. Our North America correspondent Peter Bowes reports.
The news that couldn't come soon enough. The US regulator, the Food and Drug Administration, found no safety concerns to stop approval of the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine. With millions of Americans enduring some of the most severe stay-at-home orders since the pandemic started, the vaccine could be available within days. At a White House COVID-19 summit, Donald Trump and members of his administration's coronavirus task force celebrated the speedy development of a vaccine. But the vice president said there was still work to do.
With cases rising and hospitalizations rising in virtually every jurisdiction around America, it's time once again to redouble our efforts to put the health of our families, our neighbors, and our communities first.
As he prepares to take over the government's response, the president-elect, Joe Biden, said his goal was 100 million inoculations in his first 100 days in office, prioritising the most at risk.
That includes healthcare professionals, people in long-term care, and as soon as possible, it will include educators. This will be the most efficient mass vaccination plan in U.S. history.
Mr. Biden also intends to ask Americans to wear masks for 100 days after he's inaugurated, a move that's supported by the country's top infectious disease expert.
We would prefer to use our power of persuasion to get people to realize the importance of doing something and to do it on their own will. If they don't do it, then you might have to resort to something that is a mandate.
Better times are on the horizon, but America is still bracing for a long, dark winter. Peter Bowes, BBC News, Los Angeles.